Hi guys, Kandi Toybox here. Today you will need some pony beads, a scissors, a lighter, a needle, and 6 pieces of string. It's not too long. And you're going to start by putting on 10 beads of the same color. I'm going to do purple. We have the 10 beads on there, and we're going to tie this off. And then you're going to put your needle on the other end. And then you're going to go through this purple bead. And we're going to put on three purple beads, and we're going to go through this purple, and you're going to want to pull that tight. And now we're going to put on 3 more purple, and we're going to go through this bead. So it's every other bead that we're going through. You're going to get 3 more purple, and you're going to go through this bead. You're going to get 3 more purple, and you're going to go through this bead. And we're going to add 3 more purple, and this time we're going to remove the needle and then tie these 2 ends together. And then you're going to want to cut that off. And it should look like that. And you're going to repeat this process with each color. So you'll have a total of 6. And the next step, whatever little pieces of string that you have left from your stars, you can use for this part. So you want to put your string through these 3 beads. It might be easier if you put the needle on, but I'm just going to show you without. So it looks like that. And on both sides, you're going to add a clear bead. And then you're going to take the next color, which is orange, and you're going to take the string and go through this bead. And you're going to tie these 2 together. And you're going to cut that off. So it looks like that. Now we're going to repeat that. We're going to go through these 3 orange. And you're going to put a clear on each side of the string. And then we're going to take our next color, which is yellow, and we're going to go through this bead here. And then you're going to tie those together. And cut that off. Okay, so you're going to keep doing that same process with each color. So we have green, blue, and purple left. I'm going to go ahead and attach those and then show you how to connect the both of the ends. I'll be back. Okay guys, I finished attaching all of my stars, and this last one, you see I put my string on the purple and added the 2 clear, and then we're going to take this pink one and you're going to take your string and you're going to go through and then tie these together. Now this is going to be a large arm cuff. If you have small arms, I would recommend taking off the purple to make it smaller. But that's what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.